Hello everyone, this is Michael from GlobeOfGeek. In this video, I'll be explaining basic values in Roblox. There are 4 types of basic values, and those are just the basic ones. Later in the series, I'll be covering more advanced ones so that everyone's able to understand. These actually make up the majority, so these are most of the ones you'll run into. The 4 are string values, int or number values, object values, and bool values. First off, let's start with string. String values are basically just whatever is inside apostrophes or quotation marks, sorry. So as you can see, you can have numbers inside them with letters or solely numbers. I personally prefer quotation marks. They're just a lot easier for me to understand. You can use apostrophes if you want. It's just a style of coding. And that's pretty much all there is to string values. Now, next is int values or number values. It really doesn't matter what you call them. Most people refer to them as number values. Number values, or int values if you want, are slightly different. So, for example, let's have these 3 numbers. Alright, this one is an int value. No, number value, sorry. This one is an int value, and this is a number value. Int is short for integer, and if you're in middle school or late elementary school, you should already know that an integer or number, an integer is a whole number. It does not have any decimals after it, and that's how a number and an integer differ. So that's pretty much all there is to numbers or integer values. Next is object values. If you recall, in one of my previous episodes, I showed you how to access objects through code. That's like game.workspace.base or workspace.base or workspace.base, I guess. So each of these 3 are actually object values, and that's all there really is to it. It's really simple. Next is probably the easiest to understand out of all of them. It's called a bool value. It's true or false. That's it. The object's either true or false. For example, the property anchored within base, it's right here. It can either be true or false. See? So that's all there is to bool values, that making them the by far simplest value out there. And those are pretty much all the base values that you'll find. There are others which I'll go into depth later, but for now that's all. Thanks for watching.